In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate page in Canva. If you've ever created a design in the wrong orientation and needed to switch it from portrait to landscape, or the other way around, Canva makes that possible with a simple resize adjustment. The important thing to know is that you're not using a separate rotate page button. Instead, you're changing the page dimensions so the layout flips orientation. Start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project you want to adjust, because the resize option works directly on the design you currently have open. Once the design is on screen, move to the top left area and click Resize. This is where Canva lets you change the overall dimensions of your project. After clicking Resize, look through the drop-down menu and select Custom Size. This option gives you manual control over the page dimensions, which is exactly what you need when you want to rotate the page orientation. You'll see two fields here, one for width and one for height. To rotate the page, simply swap the width and height values. So if your current design is taller than it is wide, you'll reverse those numbers to make it wider than it is tall. This effectively changes the page from one orientation to the other. It's a very straightforward trick, but it's useful because it lets you keep working with the same design instead of starting over from scratch. Once you've swapped the width and height, Canva will give you two choices. You can choose Copy and Resize, which creates a resized version while keeping your original design unchanged. This is a great option if you want to compare both versions or keep a backup. The other option is Resize this design, which applies the new dimensions directly to the current file. If you're confident you no longer need the original orientation, this can be the faster choice. After selecting the option you want, Canva will update the page to the new orientation. And that's it. Your page is now rotated by resizing the canvas dimensions. One quick tip before you finish. After the page changes orientation, it's a good idea to review your elements' spacing and alignment. Some items may need a small adjustment, so everything looks clean and balanced in the new layout. That's how to rotate a page in Canva quickly and easily.